Hello, my name is Dave, and today I'm going to tell you about changing states. So, what is changing state? Changing state is something that you have gas and turn it into solid, and solid turn into liquid. That's changing states. So means changing states means a state turning into a different state using the help of the other states. So this is gas. Gas, after cooling the gas, it is liquid. I don't really know about this because I don't know. Liquid.
You're going to give some examples?
For example, you have the fan is making the air so you can be cool. That means it's making the gas. And you take the gas into a container and put it inside the freeze. And freeze cooling it, and it turns into liquid. The next is liquid, and after you freeze it, it becomes ice or solid. So, for example, I do this thing many times. One day, I filled my cup with water, and I put it in the fridge. And after a day, I take it out, and it turned to ice. That is because inside a fridge, or after you freeze it, the temperature of the fridge inside the fridge, or freezing it is very cold, then it turns to ice. Now, the third one is ice, and after heating it is liquid. Why? So liquid after freezing it is ice. Ice after heating it is liquid. So, for example, you have a piece of ice and you heat it by the fire, so it will be hot. But if the heat is really low, so it will take a long time to turn to liquid. But if it is the heat,
The temperature.
the temperature of the heat is very high, so it will soon become liquid even more faster. Like this. If you freeze it, the temperature is a bit high. It's a long time to become ice. But if it is low, it will take a short time to become ice. And now, water, and after heating it, is gas. So I'm sure you know about it. So, for example, my mom put water inside a pot and she heated in the kitchen. So when the heat coming to the water, it will become gas. So this is a drop of water, and when you heat it, the heat will come into the water, and soon the water will just disappear and the heat forms. The heat forms, and like ice cream, what's after heating it? It's changed. So ice cream is usually put it in the fridge, so it has ice on it. if you heat it, the state
You
of
get it out of the fridge.
fridge,
That means the ice cream receives the heat
the
from
ice,
the outside.
the ice cream will receive the heat of the after heating it. So the state will become like this. So whenever you put an ice cream on a sunny day for a long time, the heat from the sun will melt the ice cream. Not the ice cream disappear into gas. No, it is just water. So by putting a piece of ice in an oven, it will melt soon. So there. I'll tell you about the 4 changing states. So, states always happens. But what if you put this magnet inside the fridge? What will happen? Nothing. No matter how long you put this magnet inside the fridge, it still stays the same. Because when you just take it out, the only thing it changed is it is a little bit cold, but it don't change anything. It doesn't change your ice or liquid or gas. But sometimes in different countries it is very cold and it will come to negative temperatures. So which putting the magnet out, it will freeze soon. Because it's really cold. It's even colder than the fridge at home. And now, so do you know about changing states? Remember, states can change by the help of the other states. So, and that is something I can tell you about changing states. Thank you for listening. Good night.